Step 1. How to find the account code. Log into the Adyen account and go to the dashboard. Click on Settings. Then click on Merchant Accounts. There you can find the account code. Step 2. How to add credentials and get the API key. Click on Developers. Then click on API Credentials. Click on Create New Credentials. Click on the Web Service User and Create Credentials button. Add a description in the General settings. Click on Generate API Key and generate a new API key. You can copy the key by clicking on the icon. Then click on Save Changes. Go to the Allowed IP Range section and insert the IP address provided by the service provider. Then click on the Allow button and click on Save Changes. You can find the recently created credentials in the list. Step 3. How to configure the webhook. Click on Developers. Click on Webhooks. Then click on Webhook. Click on the Add button in front of the standard webhook. Make sure that the webhook is enabled. Add a description in the General section and click on Apply. Paste the URL given by the service provider in the Server Configuration section and click on Apply. Click on the Test Configuration button at the bottom of the page. Select the merchant account from the list. Then select the relevant event from the list and click on Test. Then click on Done. Then click on Save Changes. You have successfully configured the webhook.